schools do is to create a safe and secure learning environment for the students while they are in the school. And they do it at two levels. One is that when a student, for example, comes into school, comes into a classroom, very often the schools will have a teacher that will meet them at the door, and they'll put up their hand and say, "How are we feeling today?" 1, 2, 3. 1 is very good, 2 is okay, and 3 is not so good. And so in that way, the teacher takes the temperature, the emotional temperature of that student when she or he walk into the classroom. That's one of the ways so that the teacher knows and also can pass along to other teachers how that child is feeling. And the second thing that some of the Changemaker schools do.
And so we are very much interested in seeing that more girls get into schools and then they stay longer in schools and complete their education successfully. But we are also looking at a system that nurtures talents, provides platforms for all children, irrespective of gender, irrespective of whether they are intelligent, but a system that also values wisdom. Children who are wise, children who are smart. They may not necessarily be academically superstars, but they have talents, they have empathy, they have passion, to, address some of these social problems that is affecting our country.